Supplementary cause list, pronouncement of judgment.
In light of the discussion made above, there is no merit in the present criminal case in the same instant dismissed. We thought of giving you some relief, madam, but then you were involved in some other matters also.
Right.
Yes.
Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
Item number 14.
Lordship.
I am not aware about that, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Oh, if I may please ask for 1 week time.
You are attending for the?
Private respondent. Taking the consent of the petitioner.
Yes, Mr. Shilla.
It's okay, Lordship.
What is this matter about?
That one, quashing of FIR.
To the complainant.
Yes,
Private
madam.
is complainant.
Yes, yes.
They are opposing you.
Yes, madam.
There's some difficulty with the line. On the request made on the respondent number. So, sir, this is
After 1 week, madam. 1 week, madam. Yes.
that is what, isn't it? You want money?
Yes.
Yes. Obliged,
You
madam.
have any problem?
No, no, it's okay.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 11.
Item 11.
11, yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, let it come after 2 weeks.
You are attending for the respondent.
Respondent 3 and 4, Your Lordship.
And for the petitioner, Lordship. No objection, Lordship.
No objection. This also after 2 weeks on the request of. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 15.
Yes.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 3 and 4.
Petitioner, Lordship.
We're happy. Opposing.
No, Lordship.
I prefer 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Yes, this was on the request of Spencer. Just after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, Lordship.
Yes.
If it can be taken up at the end of the boat, Lordship. At the end of the boat.
No,
At
Lordship.
the end of the board.
Lordship.
No, I oppose you, Lordship, because I'm not keeping well, but I've come specifically for this matter.
Lordship,
You are
Yesterday I was
praying on
bedridden.
prayer on behalf of.
private respondent, 6.
Just wait. Let us see which you
Please
petition
see
on
what-
the request.
Lordship.
Yes.
May please, Lord. My lords, the challenge here is to the order dated 25/2024. Now, this matter is, my lords, it emanates from the proceedings which were there before the division bench of the Honorable Court, where my lords were part of that bench, and the matter was remanded back. Not remanded back, my lords. Since an order had been passed by the district council, I was given liberty to, my lords, challenge that order of the district council. And, my lords, the entire matter was to be now decided in the writ proceedings. Accordingly, my lords, we have filed a writ petition where notices have been issued and your lordships are seized of the matter. Now, what has happened, my lords, is in the meantime, pursuant to the orders passed by the district council, my lords, the CM of Milliam has now passed an order, my lords, keeping my sanat. I was the Mintri of the Nongflau clan, my lords. My sanat has been kept in abeyance. Your lordship would find that order at page 208. The translated version is at 209, my lords.
Yes.
Now, 209, if I may read, my lords, it says, by this, the Dorbar Hima Millennium, after receiving the order dated 2nd May 2024, which was informed by the letter number so-and-so, dated so-and-so, duly signed by the Deputy Secretary to the Executive Committee, Khasils Autonomous District Council, Shillong, hereby suspend the Sanad number so-and-so, dated Shillong 3rd August 2018, for the appointment of Shri Yana Nongklau as Mitri Nongklau till further orders and information. Now, this order has been passed, my lords, without even affording me an opportunity of being heard. One fine day, my lords, I am communicated with this order, under which, my lords, your lordships, my sanad I've been serving since 2018. Suddenly, my sanad is suspended.
So,
The
what the law
order
says,
under which, I'm
law
sorry, my lords.
contemplates, law contemplates for giving you an
My
opportunity.
lords, the principles, my lords, the principles of natural justice would definitely apply.
Where is
Any
the
kind of
provision?
order, my lords, at least some kind of opportunity should have been given to me.
The provisions, where are the provisions for suspension? Of
My lords, I'll have to take your lordships to the act then, my lords.
Yes, where is the act? What is the act? Yes. What is the provision, Mr. Paul?
My lords, may just bear with me for a second, my lords. I'm doing it for the online thing, so it just takes a little longer, my lords. My apologies.
This becomes online becomes a problem actually.
Yes. I also.
I'm sorry, my lords.
Online becomes a problem. Yes, see.
It becomes quite an issue, my lords.
You will not be here next week, Mr. Paul. Will you be here next week?
I'm there, my lords. With your lordships, prefer to have it on Monday, my lords. I'm there on Monday.
We'll have it on Monday?
Holiday.
Oh, on Tuesday then.
Tuesday, my lords.
So let us have it on Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lords.
Tuesday presence is better.
My lords.
Yes, yes.
Oh, your lordship, there's some difficulty on Tuesday. Wednesday, your lordship.
Again, see the difficulty. These matters are not taken now. Every now and then again.
Wednesday, your lordship.
What about Mr. Paul?
Wednesday, my lords.
No, 18.
All right for everyone. Well, it should not be something like that. You see, like you. One of you come and say you have difficulty.
Oh, I'll be
There's a consensus on
I'll be traveling on 18, your lordship.
Just now, Mr. Nampu was saying that he has difficulty.
Lordship, in the meantime, I have one small
Prayer is
prayer.
requested by the parties. List this matter on Wednesday. Give that date.
Lordship,
Yes.
I have a small prayer. I'd like to request this Honorable Court to call for the records of WPC 57 of 2021. That was the original writ petition from where this entire thing.
We'll see if required. We'll do it. Let us see first.
ठीक है.
My lords. I'm grateful. Obliged.
Daily cost list, item number 1.
Yes.
My lords, this matter too, I will make a similar prayer. My lords, may have it on Monday because I'll be on any date next week. My lords, subject to your lordships.
This is what is this matter? This is regarding
My lords, this is that. My lords, this is that matter where we had filed an application before the Sessions Court, my lords, in July for allowing us to adduce additional evidence. My lords, your lordships have heard us at some length. in this
rejection of
matter.
application under 311. 311.
My lords, my lords, my lords.
We'll have it after a week.
My lords.
This is coming in the hearing list or this is in the order. Why it is if it is ready for hearing, it will go for hearing in there.
It has to come for hearing, my lords.
Yes, the matter is ready for hearing, isn't it?
Yes, my lords. That's right.
The parties submit the matter is ready for hearing. Stop according to list. The matter for hearing after a week. After 1 week.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
May it please your lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
this is that matter where an FIR was filed against the petitioner, her daughter and son-in-law by the private respondent on grounds that there was some misappropriation of property we are of the view that no rejoinder affidavit will be necessary.
The daughter-in-law, Lordship, is alleging that she is not getting her share from the property.
You are appearing for the state.
I am appearing for state.
Who is the private respondent?
P. Agarwal is appearing for private respondent.
Yes.
I'm appearing for the
Dr.
private
Agarwal is there
respondent.
for private respondent. Yes. So this we can
Yes,
go for
Lordship.
hearing
In
now.
all the
Yes,
cases.
Lordship.
Matter can be listed for hearing.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
You have-
As per the convenience of this honorable court, maybe after 2 weeks.
After two.
After 2 weeks, she said. After 2 weeks. She said after 2
After
weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, it's okay. Here also just a parties submit that matter is ready for hearing.
2, 3, and 4.
Accordingly, this is matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
2, 3, and 4 are connected.
Yes, Lordship.
Connected.
Same order.
Yes.
Same order.
Yes.
Same parties.
Yes, Lordship.
Same parties
order.
filed by the
Yes.
daughter, the son, and the son-in-law.
Yes. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hearing. Item number 6.
Proceed.
Yes.
I made just request for the day to committed to me. Actually, I was not feeling well yesterday, and today also I'm sweating too much, unexpected.
Mr. Sangresho, in this situation, will be passed over to Monday.
Yes, yes.
For the day, we will receive.
He said he supply copy to all of us. He can supply copy and be taken up on Tuesday or
He says
Wednesday.
that he is not well.
Yes, therefore I'm not opposed.
He is sweating. So I don't think you should have an.
Yes, yes.
Okay, at the request of respondent number 7, sir. Pass over the matter to give date.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item number 8.
Yes.
For the private respondent.
Who was supposed to file?
The petitioner, Lordship.
This is 2017 matter, is it?
Lordship. I filed my affidavit in the month of
probably
September.
matter went to division bench then came back again.
No, review, Lordship. Review.
There's a review.
There was a review filed by us, Lordship, by the private respondent. That order has been reviewed. Now, we were allowed to file a counter affidavit. Now, to that, they are supposed to file a rejoinder.
The matter was allowed to be reviewed and now it is pending for again filing of.
Now, it's reverted back, Lordship.
So non-APS, we'll just record it. What to do?
Lordship.
Fix it on some other day. If second default, here he comes. Yes, you're ready.
Lordship, I'm praying for 1 week's time, Lordship, to file the rejoinder, Lordship. Week's time, Lordship.
The Lordship may just produce the order sheet. Several times fixed for rejoinder.
Why rejoinder is needed here, Mr.
Our affidavit was filed way back in 2022.
Way back in
22.
2022.
November
Thereafter it is
22.
pending for rejoinder. Last opportunity. We'll get last. Is it correct that The affidavit was filed in 22.
Lordship, actually, I don't have brief with me, Lordship. This is
This is a problem. How can you appear then? If you do not have a brief, it means you do not have the instruction then.
Lordship.
How can you ask for time then? But then these were earlier. These were all orders of adjournment without specifically mentioning that whether that is adjournment was given for filing rejoinder or not.
No prayer was made.
It was only adjourned on the prayer of
The
substance.
matter
Adjourned on
was
the prayer
ready
of
to be
substance.
heard.
Even no one, even you also did not point out that it is pending for filing of rejoinder already.
He never showed it.
So that is the problem, you know.
The
If court goes by the submission of the lawyer,
The matter has been fixed for hearing for several dates. So it's been adjourned time and again. Now, when the matter was ready for hearing on a certain date, they came up with a plea that we want to file a rejoinder. 2/4/2024. After a very long time.
when is the order where first they were allowed to file a rejoinder?
2/4/2024. 19/3/2024. No, sorry.
No, this is there.
2/4, Your Lordship, 2/4.
Even before this, 29/3/2000 rejoinder affidavit on behalf of so-and-so has not yet been filed. 29/3/2023 office note says. It means this order was passed long back. You filed your affidavit in opposition on 2/12/2022.
Yes.
Now, first order for filing allowing the file rejoinder is on 13th February 2023. Yes. Now, from 13th February 2023, it is 1.5 years now. Yes, Mr. Thapa.
My Lord, my apologies, my Lord, for not being able to file the rejoinder, my Lord. Here in this matter, my Lord, I just came to know that rejoinder is required to be filed. The person, my Lord,
The
that
order
other.
has been passed 1.5
My
years back, and you say you came to know it.
Your Lordship,
No, my Lord, here my other colleague was.
Don't you open the file? Do not even bother to check what
No,
has
I'm
the
sorry, my Lord.
office note and all those
Insofar as this matter is concerned, my other colleague was appearing today. He's absent, my
things. It
Lord.
is not an excuse. It is not an
No,
excuse.
I quite bow down, my Lord.
Your Lordship is 29/11, not 22.
Hmm?
29/11.
What?
In the meanwhile, learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to file rejoinder affidavit before the next
It's
date.
13/2/2023. First order is in 13/2/2023. Learned senior counsel for the petitioner prays and is allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. That is the first order.
I have 29/11/2022.
29/11/2022 also is there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
How can 29/11? But then how could your affidavit in opposition was filed on 2/12/2022? Office note says.
That's why, Your Lordship.
Office note says, office note date is 2/12/2022 and affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 7. So how could there be order of rejoinder before that?
Absolutely. Or maybe it's a rejoinder to the district council.
You see, it seems like the court goes by the submission of the council. That is was it. See, 28/11/2022, office note says an affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 7 has not yet been filed. So till 28 November position that it has not been filed. Then 29/11 there is an order allowing the petitioner to file a rejoinder. And then your
Your Lordship,
affidavit.
maybe on the office note, it's 28, no doubt about that. Maybe the matter was listed on 29 the next day. Maybe we served them a copy on the evening and the matter was listed the next
See,
day.
the date of filing
So
is the
that's why they
date
prayed for
on which the
rejoinder.
official record says. What happens there? We do
I'm
not
not
know.
disputing that, Your Lordship. This
No,
thing,
this is- it
28 it
means-
was filed.
It means, you see, your submission makes the court pass wrong order. That is the problem.
No, absolutely no. Your Lordship, what happened is
Which way
28,
you will explain that?
28/11 it was filed, no doubt about it. But the matter was fixed on 29.
2811 you have not filed. 2811 not filed. Office note dated 2811 says it is not filed. Please.
Your Lordship, I will not dispute that. Maybe it was filed the next day,
I
29.
also cannot dispute it. It is there. It's a part of record. The 2811 not filed, you file it only on 212. And but then 2811 there is order of rejoinder. Now what is the assumption?
I apologize,
That is-
sir.
that is-
Maybe
that
I
is
apologize.
because
Maybe
of the submission made by the court. Court has passed the order. You see, lawyers are there to meant to point out all those things. For each and every small things, if you want us to open the file and verify correctness of your submission, it becomes-
maybe a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the district council also. We don't know, Your Lordship. Maybe I'm just assuming.
you are trying basically to find excuses to justify the wrong, nothing else. Anyway, just requested by the petitioner for the 1 week time is granted. There's a last chance for filing an affidavit, filing a rejoinder affidavit against the affidavit in opposition filed by the number 7.
Apologies, Your Lordship.
List accordingly. No, see, Mr. See, there is nothing of these things. Only one thing is that what we require to be more careful. At least you have a team. Before you stand up before a court, before you make submission, please open the file, see the office note. What is the problem? At least, especially, I remember my practice
Your
that I
Lordship.
used to do. You see, it is not only your thing today, perhaps on the other occasion, Mr. R. Devnath. The court had to pass some judicial order according. Because we found that is not only one order. There are repeated wrong orders with it on the basis of the prayer. This is something to be avoided.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
9.
This is a connected matter. Your Lord.
They are also same prayer.
My Lord, here the
Here
matter
also
is
you
only
have-
tagged with the main matter. My
It's
Lord.
been tagged together, Your
It's
Lordship.
only,
together,
only,
yes.
only
The
list,
issues are
list
same.
approval. Yes. Just to let parties approve.
Item number 10.
Yes.
So this is that matter, my Lord, where we had challenged the notice, whereby, my Lord, I was declared a willful defaulter, my Lord. Now, in this matter, my Lord, after this matter was filed and during the pendency one, what has happened is the bank has already recovered the amount. The bank has recovered the amount from us, my Lord. As a matter of fact, there's nothing left in this matter, my Lord. The notice which was by which, my Lord, we were declared as defaulter, my Lord, needs to go, my Lord.
What is the notice?
Notice your Lordship will find that page.
Who is appearing for us? Phone number 1, 2, and 3. What are those?
Next,
Phone
just
number? Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Respondent 1 to 3, yes,
Yes. So what is your instruction in the matter? Are you
senior-
resisting their prayer?
Yes, senior counsel, he is supposed to appear through VC, no? But due to heavy rain in Goti, he is unable to connect. Maybe can he fix it on Thursday? He'll appear physically.
After a week. On the request made on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 3. 1, 2, and 3 means 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Just see if there is there any use by resisting the prayer of the petitioner? You do
Their
not have any
concern has
instruction.
already been met, my Lord. Their concern has already been met.
That is what. If there's non-resistant, that things become simpler.
Absolutely.
Okay. If they consent, then we can finish the matter. We can quash this thing.
Correct, ma'am.
Item number 12.
In this matter, I'm looking for a small accommodation, my Lord.
Yes.
This matter, my lord, we are challenging the criminal. We are challenging the proceeding, my lord, on the ground that, my lord, the person, as per the act, this is a, my lord, the offence is registered under Cosmetic Drugs and Cosmetic Act. Now, my lord, the act provides that the investigation is ought to be carried out by a person not less than a sub-inspector. My lord, in this case, my lord, it was done by somebody lesser than lesser than the person who's prescribed under the act. My lord, hence we had filed this criminal petition.
What is the consequence of that if it is done by investigations conducted
my
by
lord,
officer
I have
who
just
is not
yesterday, my
authorized?
lord, when I was doing, there's a my lord, there are various judgment, my lord, which are conflicting. In fact, in one of the judgment, my lord, I've seen that it
By
favors
Supreme
my
Court?
case by the Supreme Court, my lord, and the various High Court. Well, I've recently found one of the judgment, but I've not gone through elaborately. I'm just praying a week's time, my lord, maybe on
What is the
Monday.
position of law, Mr. Shankar here?
My lord, Mr. S. Sen is appearing in this case. Today,
What is the position of law? We are not on fact.
I have not opened the file also. I'm sorry, my lord.
The request made by Mr.
One case, Lordship, I have done earlier. It's similar kind of.
Yes.
It's just an irregularity, Lordship. They will
Okay,
not
so
render
that
it
is corrigible.
ineffective.
And how it is corrected? What is the manner?
The one, some that matter is there. It has
If it
been
is
disposed.
irregularity, it means it has to be regularized, isn't it?
Regularized.
Now, is there any process of regularizing it, or that irregularity remains and it is inconsequential? Then that very provision incorporated has no use. Then we
We'll
can
have
say
to
that that provision is not mandatory; it is only directory.
I'll see that.
If it is directory, just see.
Yes.
Mr. Shangupta also says there are small issues are involved.
My
You
lord,
can
I don't
always,
want to say anything without being sure of it.
on the request of Mr. Papa, Governor Council for the repair, list of
One week is enough. 1 week is enough.
1 week will be enough for you.
My lord,
find out.
Will inform.
We will try and see, my lord, if there is some judgment by this honorable court, as Mr. Khami was saying.
The factual aspect is not disputed, isn't it?
Yes.
That investigation by a person.
No, my lord, it's not disputed. It's on record that it was done by
So
somebody
only
who's
that
not prescribed. Yes.
For that, why it is pending for so long?
There's
2019
one
matters.
My lord, here earlier there was another counsel who was appearing. I think it was Mr. The late senior counsel, Mr. Kar, my lord, and it subsequently traveled to us. Obliged.
Item number 13.